Right, it looks like it's not me. It is not me. But someone messaged me last night with a solution. And we know what the solution is. It's running. What it is it's not. These don't have revisions. I don't even know if these lamps are correct. They're flashing funny. Anyway, don't matter. Yeah, they don't have revisions or anything like that. There's only MPS 1 and MPS 2. But someone I know discovered that some games, this IC5 there and IC10, there's something to do with the real drives. Apparently they're custom ICs. We have actually managed to get some anyway. JPM games need both of them. PCP games will only need IC5, doesn't need IC10 to run, and the link. If the link is needed, both of them are needed. If the link isn't needed, then only IC5 is needed. And basically on PCP games, IC5 is enough and you don't need both. But on JPM originals, you need both. So obviously the board I had in here yesterday is obviously IC10's not working or something, or the link, I'm not sure. So I've took the board out of rotor note, which as you know is working fine, and it's in here. So it's working. I haven't tried to credit it. I'm going to have to pause this because I've got no way of, because obviously if I put coins in it, they're just going to drop down because I've got some of it out, you see. It's down there. I could put it in, but there's some lamps behind there. I can see some of the high roller lamps are not working. So I might as well have that out while I'm sort of here. Anyway, we'll do a first play. So what I'll do is I'll stick some credits on it, and we'll see what it does. It looks to me like it was original. It has been. This has been altered. That is not the original. No way is that the original. And there it's got 20. If you can see there, it says 20p play. Insert extra credit. So at some point it was a 20p play. So it's been altered. So it's been altered to 5p play. But there you go. Hold on a sec, I'll put some credits on it and then we'll have a little go. So none of these are lighting, which, anyway, hold on. Oh, it's more fun. We are actually ready for a first play now. I'm attaching this to a video I done 2 days ago and I still couldn't get it working. I got it booted up, you'll see, because I've joined this video. I got it booted up, it was taking all the money, it wasn't crediting. No crediting, and it was the board out of rotor note, so I was convinced it's working, but obviously it got a fault between getting it from rotor note into this, and it showed itself there because I've been persevering with it on and off, the looms on and off, messing about. I don't worry about it because just on a bit of the one plug's a bit, and look, it's blowing the tank. See that? I could smell something yesterday and I thought, what's that? I thought it was a power supply. It's blowing a bloody tank. That might be something to do with why it wasn't taking coins. Anyway, I'll pause this, I'll put some coins on and we'll see this play. Here we go. First, I can't move the machine or anything because the plug where the link is, it's bloody, it's dodgy, it's literally teetering on the edge if that comes off. It's quite loud as well. I'm not touching anything, we'll just have a few goes on it here. See what I mean? It's because of that bloody plug. I don't want to force it in, but I've got to mess about with it. Alright, I'll have to mess about with it, hold on. Right. I've turned it down. Oh! It's not the plug down. This is an unknown board. I had it down as almost boots. I didn't have it, I've not got this as a working board. It's clearly not a working board. Bloody machines, aren't they? A pain in the ass. I always, benefits of the doubt, try the bloody plugs and shit like that. Alright. Like I say, it's down as almost boots. So I see this as a non-working, but I'm kind of in for a penny, in for a pound kind of guy. So try and board a different machine, you know. Sometimes you get lucky, sometimes you don't. But I suppose what I'm trying to say, really, I was hoping to play. If you don't play, I'll have to find another board. I just lost all my bloody credits now. Hold on, I'll put some credits on. Right, so what it is, I have to put my hand round the back and I'll wear the pack anyway. I don't know where, there, okay, it's not going to work. That's a shame. But anyway, there you go, you can see it is going to work, it's just, yeah, shame. I'm going to have to do some more messing about with boards. Trouble is I can't press the button and play it while I'm at the back to see if it's, you know, if it's a connection or... I see. Sometimes it's easy, see. Sometimes they're just bloody funny on the power connections. I've always got spare power connections, but they're all, these thinner wire ones are rubbish compared to the earlier ones. Are much thicker wires, but the later ones have got thinner wires on them, so they're not as good. It might not be the loom, it could be the board. But there you go. Shame. I would like to have a go. I keep trying to though. Yeah, keep trying. Whatever you do, folks, don't bloody collect old machines. They're a fucking nightmare. Oh, hold on, is that... See, it could be as simple as... Sometimes it's just worth pulling the... That looks like it's lopsided to me. But, you know, sometimes you see things that ain't there in the hope, oh, that's the problem, so always have a look. Sometimes one pin gets sort of squashed out, but normally, if that's the case, they don't normally work at all. Right. Oh, okay, I don't know, I'm just... Let's check your looms. But, see what I could do is someone playing the machine while I look at the back, you see, and see what's causing it to... But I suppose what I'm saying is... It will work eventually. It will work eventually. I've just got to get a working board. I mean, that's so obviously he's not too fussy about the connection to the coin mech loom. So it could be one of the big chips. I mean, I'm tempted to swap around a big chip with it. Right. So it's sort of okay and sort of almost sitting there like that, isn't it? But as soon as you press it... Oh, okay. See what I do, what I go through. Almost. Sort of tempted to leave this on for an hour, you know, if it flashes away and works fine. Well, might get some juice through the board, you know. And he catches a jackpot. That is a capture. That is a capture. It's got the same sounds as had a win in it. Oh yeah, you can take that, use tape feature. Oh, there you go. Paying out the money, but there we go, it's not connected, so. Wants to work, doesn't it? No, you don't. I was going to try and get rid of them goes. I suppose what I'm trying to prove, or what I'm saying is, the machine will work. Obviously this board's faulty. Obviously it's faulty. Or a connection. I mind you, I've looked at the connections. But it's a working machine. Seems to be anyway. Right, well that's the end of the video because it's going to start annoying people. But there you go. So, like I say, for the last 2 days I've been coming down this unit, and I got it running with the Rotonote board, but it wouldn't take credits. The coins would go in even down the right places, but it wouldn't credit, which you normally put down to the power supply. But I think it must have been that TANS, because I've been messing about with it for to try. I thought it's got a credit, but it wasn't at all. So I was starting to think that on the way to here today, I thought I got some spare MPS looms, and I thought maybe the loom needs replacing that goes from the coin mech down to the board, the coin interface part. I've got one of them, so. But then I know who I bought this off, and he was like, no, it was a fully working machine. So I'm like, okay, it was a working machine, so I don't know. But obviously it was the board. So the Rotonote fully working board is not so fully working there. And that's the problem, you see. Now that means now I've got that machine's down now, because I can't put that board back in with that TAN, so that'll have to be done. That TAN will have to be done. So trying to get one machine going, I've got 2 down now instead of 1. So it happens. It normally happens with System 80. You try and repair one machine using another machine's boards, and that's where it goes wrong. See, I've no idea what's wrong with this board, why it's sort of working and then not. There you go. Anyway, see you soon. Have fun.